If you saw me at DECOREX, then you know the boy was very busy. We set ourselves a challenge to make a virtual tour at the floor of DECOREX that we were exhibiting on, and what can I say? We were winning! In the past few months, we have done tons of footage using the Insta360 X3, and in this video, we're gonna show you guys how we made our first big virtual tour at DECOREX Joburg 2023. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information and updates about 180x2 and everything happening in the world of Insta360 and VR. The first thing we had to do before we even started capturing the virtual tour was to prepare for it.
Boring!
Virtual tours are a very immersive experience, and what we had to do was make sure that there was nobody around. The reason why that is because while people are having the experience, it makes it very weird for you to just have like random people just frozen in time. The next thing we had to do was try to get a floor plan. Now the reason why this was necessary was because it would give us an overall view on exactly what we were trying to capture and where we would stand from while capturing every picture. The next part was obviously capturing the virtual tour. Now this is not as simple as you may think. Now of course we're all looking forward to this part, but this here is where the floor plan becomes very important because it helps you figure out a route of capturing all of your pictures. It was very important for us because the DECOREX venue that we were capturing the virtual tour in had a lot of different pathways that went horizontally and vertically. Please make sure that you capture corners and any perspectives that people would definitely like to get views from, because that will make the tour as interactive as possible. All right, so now you've gone through the venue, you've taken pictures through every different point that you'd like to get a perspective from, and you're at home and you're about to wrap up the virtual tour. So the first thing that you need to do is take all of your pictures and use the Insta360 desktop app to export them in full 360 mode. From that point, it is very, very important that you name all of your pictures according to the layout or the sequence that you captured them in. For us, we were able to categorize them according to numbers and letters, helping us to make sure that every single point that we needed to capture was easy to find through the virtual tour and also easy to match other points to it. Once you've given all of your pictures the right name, which coincides with the sequence that you shot them in, then you can upload them all into a virtual tour hosting site. In this case, we used Cooler because it is very easy to use, it has great picture quality, it's very easy to interact with for the user or the viewer, and in practice, uploading your pictures into Cooler is actually very simple. So all you need to do is upload those 360 flat images onto Cooler and it will automatically convert them into a 3D 360 perspective. From this point, it's again important to emphasize why you needed to rename all of your pictures according to the sequence that you captured them in. Every perspective, or at least 2 to 3 perspectives that might be in front of us, are able to be seen, and we use hotspots for that. So when someone clicks that hotspot, they can then stand from that position where you've placed that hotspot. You need to be able to find that picture quickly without having to scroll through all the different pictures that you've captured to find one. The tedious part of this process is the fact that you need to go through every single picture and connect every relevant hotspot from that picture. If you don't put hotspots in any of those pictures, what will end up happening is that someone will end up arriving at that perspective and not having any other place to go because they won't be accessed to any other hotspots from there. Your floor plan will help you mark off all the spots that you've actually done, making sure that you don't necessarily go back and forth just trying to double check spots. Again, it is very important to follow the same sequence that you shot your pictures in, just so that you can track your progress and make sure that you aren't leaving any gaps in any images that need hotspots. Now at this point, we had taken all our 360 pictures, uploaded them onto the Cooler virtual tour hosting site, and also linked them up, giving people the opportunity to navigate throughout the entire venue. By this time, we were pretty much ready to show everyone what this virtual tour thing was all about, and this is what they all had to say.
Oh, wow.
Or if I turn, cool. Oh, yeah.
No, this is beautiful. So people can experience it without being here.
Wow, guys, that's amazing.
Okay, this is stunning. Wow. You guys are so cool. Jeez.
Oh. Is that what you got to do?
It's really amazing. It's really cool.
Yeah.
On a rainy day, you
Hi, Bo. Okay. And now it's showing me chairs and
Wow.
Are you moving?
Yes, I am. I'm loving it.
this is insane. I can't believe how clear it is, actually. Hi, this is crazy. Hi, Bo, you guys are witches and wizards.
How did you guys do that?
DECOREX is done now. We've had a bit of time to also add more to the virtual tour, so you guys can check out the link to that virtual tour in the description below. And if you guys are looking for more information or updates about the world of VR, XR, and Insta360, check out 180x2 and check out this next video to find out about all the shooting modes available on the Insta360 X3.